Hello everyone. So every time I post a video on YouTube, I get quite a few comments about how to get my crosshair. So rather than replying to every comment I get, I've decided to make a video about it. So the first thing you need to know about this crosshair is it doesn't play nicely with SV Pure. But thankfully there's a workaround, which is what I would show you. And so the first thing you need to do is download the file in the description and just extract it in your custom folder, pretty normal stuff. So the way the workaround operates is you want to have the crosshair loaded before you enter a SVPO server. So the simplest way I found to not forget to do that is by going to your launch option and putting this in your launch option. So just load any map, whatever map you feel loading. So any map will do. Just you also need to join a team in order for this to work. So let's just launch a game. Oh, and also don't forget to put this in your auto exec, and in the crosshair in this file you can resize the crosshair. So I personally use it rather big. If you use it like me, like on a pretty big size, I really recommend getting a HUD crosshair as well. But yeah, just change that number to everything you feel like. Just don't hesitate to play around that number. So every time you launch a game, you will be put in you'll start the map. Don't forget to just join a team and select a class. So as you can see, it works perfectly. So yeah, once it works, then you can join any server, even if it's SVPO, it will always work. But if the server you join isn't SVPO, you will face a pretty big issue. I will show you right now. So let's say if you join a SVPO 2 server, which is, I mean, Valve server as SVPO, that's what I know. And any kind of, pretty much every server I think is, some community servers aren't, but most servers are. So if I reload the map, okay, so now if you would join this kind of server, you wouldn't be able to see your crosshair properly, but since I've already loaded it should work properly. See, as you can see, it works. Also, something else, if you go to your option and whatever, you might change something here, doesn't matter, and you press OK, it will reset to the default crosshair. So in order to fix this, you must reload your crosshair. So exact crosshair should do the trick, but remember, you must be on a non-SVPO server to do this. So if you do it on your SVPO server, you get this. This is not what you want, obviously. So now to fix it, just you just need to reload the crosshair while being on the SVPO 0 server. So I'll just do that now. Let's see. Alright, so now I need to reload the crosshair. Just first put the default one, then the crosshair, and now as you can see, it works. So yeah, if you face this issue, just create a local server and just reload your crosshair. Also, this works for TF2, and it should also work for other Souls games. I haven't tested, but if you feel like testing, don't hesitate to leave a comment like on which game it works. I assume it works on most Souls games, but I haven't tested it yet. So yeah, that's basically it. So I've have a nice holiday or Christmas, whatever you want to call it, and I'll see you next time. Bye.